that, oh my God. Because again, your four-legged stool is your emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual, right? That's the legs that you stand on as a human. And then it's about that intention of having that go towards what it is that you want to create next. You want to make sure that it's not all just going to the next spending thing, right? You also want to interrupt the process to then start to get into something that then creates cash flow and or monies that are building somewhere that can build your net worth. So at some point, maybe you don't have to work, you know. And some people that's a goal for, and some people not. You know, I have people like, I always want to work and this is what I'm going to do. But just again, so like, even if it's $25 a month to building up, you know, like when I'm sitting with clients, even if it's $25 a month that you start putting into an investment account that's still liquid, but yet making more interest than your savings account. Like you have to start to take steps so that you're not just becoming income affluent, but then you're also becoming asset affluent. Does that make sense to you guys? Because you don't want to just exist and always have to keep blocking and tackling and blocking and tackling. You want to start carving it out so that just like you as an individual have the four-legged stool for that, you also financially want that, right? You want, it's amazing when you start to build your net worth and it's not necessarily you having to go to work to actually produce some income. I just talked to somebody yesterday. I'm like, well, the assets that you've built up, if you want to switch careers and switch and go in a different direction, like your assets right now could spit you out $4,500 a month. So you could take a job with a pay cut and you've really seen no difference in your life, right? It's just, you give yourself choices when you start to do that. And then the next time and then you bump it up as more opens up, like, and that's what you don't do it with that stuff. You do it with the new money, right? Like as things shore up. Because if you don't do it when things open up, then you're going to be taken away from something that you already shifted to and already created. So that's part of the challenge. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and subscribe to the channel. Why? Because then you can get more knowledge all the time and be a part of a community that's actually going to lift you up.